Hi guys! Today we're introducing NailaPeel 3D Nail Technology Deluxe Color Kit. It's for ages 8+, create over 100 nail designs, includes 60 design templates, 5 gel polishes, nail tinsel, nail confetti, nail glitter, 3 nail wheels, 5 design tips, 3 brush applicators, 3D gel tray, tweezers, squeegee, funnel, emery board, and 75 nail adhesives. Also available in Rock Out Kit and Sugar Rush Kit for more colors and nail decor. Polish, design, decorate, and peel. Thank you MGA Entertainment for sending us this cool kit. Looks really fun. Can't wait to get started. Here they are out of the box. Here's the booklet. Here you can see all the items included in the kit. Turn the page and here are the instructions. And make sure to read the important information on the back. So here is the nail wheel. It should come in 3 different colors. And then here we have gel polishes in pearly lilac, sparkle light pink, sparkle coral, pearly plum, and sparkle seafoam. And then here we have nail tinsel, nail glitter, and nail confetti. This is design template. There are some really cute designs that you can follow. And in here we have 5 design tips, 3 brush applicators, a funnel, squeegee, tweezers, 3D gel tray, emery board, and 3 nail adhesive sheets. In order to use the gel polishes, first we need to twist off the cap, then remove the protective covering, and then twist on the design tip. Next, we need to select nail size that best fits on your nails. Here I've marked 5 nails that I have chosen. I've decided to do LOL Surprise theme. First we'll do treasure inspired nails. I'm going to use this sparkle seafoam color and this pretty coral color. First I'm going to use the seafoam color on the bottom portion of the fingernails. The color is very light, so I think I'll do 2 layers. And we're going to apply this coral color on top half of the nails. This is how it looks, and I've done the same with all 5 fingers. I'm going to let that dry. Meanwhile, I'm going to use this white nail wheel and do a unicorn inspired nails. I'll be using the sparkle seafoam, pearly lilac, pearly plum, and sparkle light pink. I'm going to dab the gel polish in random areas, brush the area, and we're going to do the same with the rest of the colors. Remember to wipe the bristles once in a while using a wet wipe to prevent clumps. I'm going to apply second coat of seafoam color to make it stand out more. And here it is. I did the same for all 5 nails. We'll let that dry. Now we'll be using 3D gel tray to get some 3D designs. Just squeeze in the gel into the mold. Use the squeegee to level out the designs. This is how it looks once it's leveled out. We have to let that completely dry. This is very easy tutorial. I just print out the characters on piece of paper and cut them out to apply to the nails. You can avoid this process and use stickers, which will be much more easy and simple. The gels are dry. I'm going to use the tweezers to gently lift them out from the tray. Here is Starfish, very cute. Here are the rest of the designs. Now we'll apply the base coat. Stick the character in its place. Now I'm going to cut out excess paper that's sticking out. Here we have Treasure and Little Treasure. Now we're going to apply top coat to prevent them from peeling. Here they are, all protected and shiny. We're going to do the same for the 3D nail designs. First, apply the base coat. Add your designs. Here I'm using the starfish. We're going to do the same for the other hand. Here are Unicorn and Little Unicorn. This time I'm going to dab the base coat in random places and sprinkle with nail tinsels for decorations. Very glittery. And we'll do the same for the other 2 nails. I'm using the tweezers, kind of reshaping around the nail edges to make it look more presentable. Here they are. And I've added some 3D nail designs. Let's apply the top coat to keep the tinsels in place. Here they are, all finished. Now let's apply them to the nails. You'll need to move the nails up and down to break them off the wheel. File the edge to make it smooth. And do the same with the rest of the nails. Now we're going to use nail adhesive. Place it on your nail. Peel the top layer off and place the decorated nail over the adhesive sticker. Voila! Now do the same with the rest of the nails. All done! I hope you liked the nails. I had so much fun decorating with this NailaPeel Deluxe Color Kit. I hope you enjoyed it as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye guys!